In today's video, we will discuss how you can set up a proxy in Proxifier. First, open the Proxifier application. After opening it, go to the Profile menu and select Proxy Servers. Then click on Add. Next, enter the required details such as the IP address and port. After that, select the protocol, for example, HTTPS. Then enter the credentials, which include the username and password provided by your proxy provider. Once you have entered these details, click on the Check option. If everything is correct, you will see a message saying that the proxy is ready to work with Proxifier. Now click OK, then click Yes and click OK again. Your proxy has now been successfully added. Next, click on the Profile menu and go to the Advanced option. Here, click on Services and Other Users, check these two options, and then click OK. After that, again go to the Profile menu, open the Advanced section, and enable Handle Direct Connections. That's it, your proxy is now set up and running on your PC. To stop Proxifier, go to the taskbar, right-click on the Proxifier icon, and select Exit. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.